How to play the strumstick. The strumstick is a clever three-stringed instrument, based on the mountain dulcimer. Like the dulcimer, it is tuned to a diatonic scale. In other words, there are no wrong notes. Even a beginner can start playing music the very same day. Anyone can learn. A strumstick is relatively inexpensive and easy to buy online or at a specialty music store. The strumstick is designed by Bob McNally and made by McNally Instruments. eBay has some interesting ones too. They are small and lightweight, which makes them perfect for camping trips or hikes. Steps. 1. Tuning. There are several models of strumsticks on the market, but we'll just focus on the two most popular, the basic and grand strumstick. The basic is tuned to G, D, G. The grand to D, A, D. Now, don't worry if you don't know how to read music. The best way is to buy a cheap electric tuner. The tuner will hear what key a single string is tuned to, and will have a read out of where you are on the scale. It's just a matter of plucking the top string, and loosening or tightening the string to get the right key. In the case of the basic strumstick, that would be G. Now, pluck the middle string, and tune it to the key of D, and so on to the bottom string, to the key of G again. There is a way to tune your strumstick manually, which I will provide a link to at the end of this article. 2. Strumming. Always use the neck strap and adjust it so the strumstick is hanging close to your chest. Take a guitar pick, and just strum down all 3 strings. Wow! Sounds good. Just keep strumming down on the strings for a while, and just get a feel for it. 3. Now, try strumming up on all 3 strings. Take your time, and really feel how you become more loose and comfortable with each stroke. 4. Take as much time as you need, then try strumming on the down and up stroke. Now you're strumming. Don't worry about your other hand yet. Just strum. 5. Now, it's time to play some notes. Place your index or middle finger, whichever one is the most comfortable for you, on the bottom string. This will also be the thinnest string. Press your finger in between 2 frets, and now strum. Make sure you're only pressing on the bottom string. Listen to how different it sounds than when you were strumming without holding down the string. 6. Move your finger to another fret, and strum again. It sounds different again. Hey, you're starting to play notes. Keep strumming and move your finger to other frets, and listen to how it all sounds good. There are no wrong notes. 7. Try sliding your finger to another fret while strumming. Just keep playing until you're comfortable with strumming. If you become frustrated, just go back to practicing strumming without using your other hand. 8. Playing songs. The frets are numbered, starting with the first fret as number 1. The sheet music for the strumstick has this in mind. It will have a number that corresponds with what fret your finger should be on. I will provide a link to some songs. You can also purchase music books for the mountain dulcimer, as long as the songs are in the same key. Tips. Start out slow. Speed will come in time. Remember to take your time and really learn how to strum first, before trying to play songs. Listen to the different sounds you can get, depending on where you strum. Strum on the whole, and then strum closer to the frets. Buy a CD on how to play. It's much easier if you can hear the notes too. Don't get frustrated. Just go back to the beginning and start again. Just have fun. Try different beats with your strumming. Even miss a beat sometimes. Warnings. Your friends and family will get tired of you playing the same thing over and over again, but don't get discouraged. Repetition is all part of learning. Things. Guitar picks. Strumstick or dulcimer music books. Electric tuner.